Hello everyone, so today I want to share with you another cool app which started to climb in social media category across Europe and across the world. It's called Cartoon Social. So the idea is that it's social media. It's similar to Instagram or Twitter. You just post pictures, images, and you can comment and interact with other people. So why is it going viral? Well, there is one small trick about it, is that you don't post your pictures, you make like animation or paintings or images from your pictures. So basically you kind of create some virtual world, and your avatars, your selfies can look like some Picasso painting or some impressionist painting, and it makes this app super kind of fun to use. So definitely try it out. So just to say, it's not a new trend in social media apps. You can see a lot of apps like It's Me, Zapato, other apps where people actually don't want to really show that much of their personal life. They don't want to share their real photos. And because you need to like care, how do you look, like am I skinny enough, is this smile that great, and you need to edit your photo to make sure you look perfect on Instagram. But on these apps like Cartoon Social, It's Me, you don't need to care about that, because you just have like an avatar, and you kind of are hiding behind that avatar, but you still interact with real people. So it's kind of like a virtual social media layer. You're still interacting with real people. These are not bots, but you are not showing off your entire like real life. So maybe this is a trend where one of like directions of social media can go in future. But for now, let's just check out this cool app. You should definitely try it out. Create a free account, try to hang out, invite your friends. So let's just dive in. So here's Cartoon Social app. This is how it's called. So yeah, it's in the top charts of social networking. You can get it for free. It's only 74 megabytes. This is basically how it looks like. So it's a social network, but with cartoons. So you can turn your photos, your selfies, your pictures into cartoons, and then just interact as on Facebook. So this app has both elements of some art workshop and social networking website, and it uses cutting-edge AI technology. And then there is Cartoon Social Premium. So let's dive into the app. Here's how it looks like. So here is the home feed, as like on Instagram, and yeah, this is what you can see. So basically just photos which are turned into cartoons. And then you can just like someone, you can comment. Yep. You can again comment. There might be a lot of spam, but it's just for every new app, you will have a lot of different users. Then you can just report, post, block this user, hide this post. Yeah, you can interact like the same as you do on any other social media app. Then you can just tap follow if you want to follow someone. You can go to someone else's profile. You can message someone. Just tap message from here. So that's that. Then there is like a popular profiles tab. You can search for users. Yep, sorry for this. Let's just wait for this quick ad, because I'm using the free version, and unfortunately in the free version they have a lot of ads. But yeah, it's still worth it to try out the app, and then you can try to subscribe with 7-day free trial. But yeah, it's still fun to play. However, there are a lot of ads in this app. So that's that, but yeah, okay, that's understandable. So yeah, let's just try to post an image. So here, for example, you can just post it. Then you can just select it as you want. And then there are plenty of super cool cartoon filters which you can apply, and this is what makes this app really amazing. And then you can start with 7-day free trial or subscribe for like $40 per year. And then you have styles, which you have sketch, cartoon, watercolor, pop art, artist. Then you have filters. Well, filters is not that fun, or you can adjust just contrast. So let's try to do like some kind of, okay, oil painting and stuff. And then, yeah, so you can choose all the different filters you want. You can choose like pop art. Let's try pop art. Yeah, something like that. And then you can also adjust for different artists like Van Gogh, Picasso, Leonardo da Vinci. So super cool. So VIP means that this feature you need to be subscribed. So that's that. Then you just tap here, and then you can share, or you can also save to your mobile phone. So you can use this app the same as like some filter apps. So just create these cool filters and then just save to your phone, and share on other social media apps. Just kind of cool. So let's just share. And you can also, of course, share it on Instagram and other social media apps. So there you have it, and then you just share the post. You can go to it, you can bookmark the post, you can delete it if you don't like. Yep, so that's that. And then if you go to your profile, you can see all the posts attached. Sorry guys for another ad. But yeah, so this is basically the feature of this app, that you take these photos, you turn them into super awesome paintings, filters. So not just filters, but cartoons. And the whole app is just like that. So yeah, here you have all your photos. And this is your profile. You can tap on 3 dots. You can see your bookmarks, blocked users. You can log out. Then you can edit your profile from here, change your profile picture, change your username, change your email. You can see your follow requests. You can see your followers. So everything is like a regular social media app. Then you have your account. You can contact support. You have subscription packages. So let's take a look. So they have 7-day free trial, and then like on every plan, and then monthly subscription is something around like $10-11 per month, because these are priced in Danish kroners. Or you can choose with annual subscription, which will drastically save you. So that's that. Then here you have all your messages. You can start a chat with someone. You can see message requests. But other than that, there you have it. That's the app. That's a quick look. So try it out. What do you think of it? Looks like a super cool idea actually, and you can get the really cool vibe here. So just like everything is like in cartoons, so you don't have these images, but it's still like real pictures. So these are not avatars. And you can also sort by trending, by all, by effects. So you can see caricature, tunify, emojify. So these filters are like really amazing here. And when you upgrade, you should get access to all of these filters and disable ads. So that's the app. Hope you enjoyed it. Try it out. Super fun. Invite your friends. Yeah, push that like button. It's super easy for you. I just want for more people to see this app. Subscribe and visit my website mrhack.io for more cool stories and videos about amazing apps. See you in the next videos.